What it be? It's your boy Pro Gamer 557 back at it again with another banger video. So today, guys, we're gonna be doing some stuff, y'all. So I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different today because apparently I'm a masochist. We are going to be... I hate this already. I'm gonna be putting every liquid in here in a cup, and I'm gonna mix it all up and I'm gonna drink it, and plus water too. I don't know about this thing though. But anyways, this is gonna be not a fun time. I don't know. Maybe this will be good. I don't know. I have no idea how this is gonna. Wait. No, never mind. Crap. I gotta put one of these in here too. I mean, they're good, but like, ugh. Okay, so I'm not sure what the portions are gonna be. I'm probably just gonna be doing like a measurement thing. Like, I don't know. Like, what measurement is this? An eighth of a cup. So I'm probably just gonna be putting a eighth of a cup worth of substance in whatever cup I'll be drinking this crap out of. Okay, so this is the cup, I guess. You know, it's an average sized cup. Oh, I guess let's just get to pouring. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, so let's first, alright, so first off, let's do the smell. Smells like sweet Gatorade. Oh! I legitimately had a gag reflex. Oh no. Oh no, dude. This just tastes like Gatorade. But like with fruit and thickness and all that mixed in it. Was I overreacting? I mean, it's not good, but it just tastes like regular Gatorade. Yeah, it just tastes like regular... It just tastes like regular Gatorade. It's still not good, though. Well. So that was that, I guess.